Hello students, Standard 5th subject Mathematics. Chapter 9 Decimal Fractions. From page number 56 of your maths textbook, we will learn adding decimal fractions. See here, adding decimal fractions. See the first question. If the cost of one pencil is 2.5 rupees and the cost of a pen is 4.5 rupees, what is the total cost? How do we find out the total cost of pencil and pen? For this, see the solution. Here 2.5 rupees means 2 rupees and 1/2 rupee. Similarly 4.5 rupees. 4.5 rupees means 4 rupees and 1/2 rupees. 4 rupees and 2 rupees make 6 rupees. And 2.5 rupees make 1 rupee. So both objects together cost is 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 rupees. 7 rupees is correct answer. Now see how this is done using decimals. For decimals, write the rupees in decimals. The first is 2.5 rupees. So write here 2.50. And cost of pen is 4.5 rupees. So here write 4.50. Now add both the values. First is 0 at hundredths place. So 0 plus 0 is 0. The sum of the zeros in the hundredths place is 0. Now in tenth place, here is 0.5 and this one is also 0.5. So write here 0.5 plus 0.5 is the same as 5. Write is in fraction 5 upon 10 plus 5 upon 10. Now 10 is denominator, so write here denominator as it is, and 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 1. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 10 divided by 10 is 1. So 1 upon 1 and 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. So 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. Now 1 carried over. This is 1 is carried over to the units place. This one is units place. So 1 carried over at units place. Now there is nothing in the tens place. Here is nothing in the tens place. So we put a 0 here, and in the units place is 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So this makes 7. So 2.50 rupees and 4.50 rupees add up to 7 rupees. Now students, remember that while writing down an addition problem and the total, the decimal points should always be written one below the other. The decimal points, these decimal points written one below the other. Now study the following additions. Note that 10 tenths is equal to 1 unit and 10 hundredths is equal to 1 tenth. Now see the example 1. 8. 7.09 plus 54.93. Here start the addition from hundredths place. See here. First write in this way 7.09 plus 54.93. Point written one below the other, and total here write first write the point. Now 9 plus 3, 9 8 hundredths place. So start the addition from hundredths place. 9 plus 3 is 12. Write 2 8 hundredths place and carried over 1 8 tenths place. Now 1 plus 9 is 10. Here write 0 and carried over 1 8 unit place. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Here write 2. 2 8 unit place and 1 carried over 8 tens place. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. So answer is 62.02. Example 2. 8. 45.83 plus 167.4. See here, we arrange the numbers so that the places and decimal points come one below the other. The decimal points come one below the other. Now see here, 45.83 and 167.4. Here is the 3 800s place and here is no value at hundreds place. So we put here 0. Why we put here 0? See here, 4 upon this one 8, 4 8 tens place. So we write 4 8 4 upon 10. 4 upon 10 is equal to, when we multiplied 10, both the numerator and denominator, this one is 40 upon 100. And 4 upon 10 is equal to 40 upon 100. So 0.4 is equal to 0.40. So we put at the place of 0.4, we can put 0.40. See here. Therefore, to make the denominators of the fractions equal, 167.4 is written as 167.40 and then the fractions are added. Now, as usual, the digits with the smallest place values are added first and then those with bigger place values are added serially. Now, start the addition from smallest place value. The smallest place value is hundredths place. So, we start the addition from hundredths place. 3 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 4 is 12. So, write 2 at 10th place. And carried over 1 at unit place. Now 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. So write here 3 at unit place and carried over 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. So write here 1 and carried over 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 45.83 plus 167.4 is equal to 213.23. Now we will solve the questions of problem set 41. First one, convert the following into decimal fractions and add them. First one, 1.5 meter and 2.5 meter. Solution, 1.5 meter in fraction 1 and 1 upon 2 meter plus 2 and 1 upon 2 meter is equal to. Now write in decimals. 1 write as it is and 1 upon 2 means 0.50 or 0.5. So here we write 1.5 or 1.50 meter plus 2.5 meter means 2.50 meter. Now add both the numbers. 1.50 meters plus 2.50 meter. First add meter as it is, right? Now starting addition from hundredths place. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So write 0 at tens place and carried over 1 at unit place. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So answer is 4.00 meter. Second one, 4 and 3/4 rupees and 7 and a quarter rupees. Solution, rupees 4 and 3/4 rupees means 3 upon 4 plus rupees 7 and a quarter rupees. Quarter means 1 upon 4. So here write rupees 7 and 1 upon 4. Now write in decimals rupees 4 as it is and 3 upon 4 means 0.75. So here is rupees 4.75 plus rupees 7.25. Now add both the values. Rupees 4.75 plus rupees 7.25. 5 plus 5 is 10. So here write 0 at hundredths place. Carried 1 at tens place. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So here write 0 and carried 1 at unit place. Now decimal write as it is. 4 plus 1 5 plus 7 is 12. So answer is rupees 12.00. Third one, 6.5 meters and 3 3/4 meters. 6.5 meters in fraction 6.5 meter plus 3 3/4 meters means 3 and 3 upon 4 meters is equal to 6, right as it is, and half means 0.50. So 6.50 meter plus 3 And 3 upon 4 means 0.75. So 3.75 meters. Now add both the values. 6.50 meter plus 3.75 meter. Here write meter as it is. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So write here 2. Now decimal as it is. Now carried 1. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So answer is 10.25 meter. Question number 2. First one. 23.4 plus 87.9. So write in this way 23.4 and decimal point below the decimal and 87.9. Now 9 plus 4 is 13. So write here 3. Write point as it is. Carried 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 7 11. Here write 1 and carried 1. 2 plus 1 3 plus 8 11. So answer is 111.3. Second one 35.74 plus 816.6. Now solution, first 35.74 and second number is 816.6. After point is 6 and here is 2 digits, so we put here 1 0 more. Now add both the numbers. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 6 is 13. So write 3 point as it is and carried 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So write here 2 and carried 1. 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. Now 8 write as it is. Answer is 852.34. Third one 6.95 plus 74.88. Now solution, add both the values. 5 plus 8 is 13. So write here 3 and carried 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So write here 8 and carried 1. Now decimal point write below other. So write here decimal point. Now 617 plus 4 is 11. So here is 1 and carried 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. So answer is 81.83. Fourth one 41.03 and 9.98. First write 41.03. See here is only one digit before decimal. So remember the point written below this point. So 9.98. Now add both the values. 8 plus 3 is 11. So put here 1 and carried 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So write here 0 and carried 1. Now decimal as it is. Now 1 plus 1 2 plus 9 is 11. So here is 1 and carried 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So answer is 51.01. Third one 51.4 centimeter plus 68.5 centimeter. In solution, first write 51.4 centimeter plus 68.5 centimeter. So here write centimeter as it is. Now 4 plus 5 is 9. Now write point. 8 plus 1 9. 5 plus 6 is 11. So answer is 119.9 centimeter. Second one 94.7 meter plus 1738.45 meter. In solution, make the addition. Write meter as it is. 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 4 is 11. So write here 1 and carried 1. Put here decimal point. Now 4 plus 1, 5 plus 8 is 13. So write here 3 and carried 1. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13. So write here 3 and carried 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. And here 1 as it is. So answer is 1833.15 meter. Third one rupees 5158.75 plus rupees 841.25. In solution, also write this point. 5 plus 5 is 10. So write here 0 and carried 1. 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 10. Here is 0 and carry 1. 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. Here is 0 and carried 1. Here is 5 plus 1 plus 4 is 10. So here is 0 and carry 1. Again this one is 10. So write here 0 and carried 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. And write rupees as it is. So answer is rupees 6,000. Thank you.